So guys, in this video, just see how much you can earn daily. It's just a little example. Like you see, it's only 0.02 0.03 cents day by day updating, or sometimes it's make more, like 0.05 also make. Okay, see, 0.02 cents. So it's actually not a one day result. I have promoted my website in so many, I promoted my direct link in so many websites, so many free traffic. That's how you can also make a setup for your Adsterra account, and daily $5 to $10. In my video you see all this working method. I just shared it with you. I have used so many method, but I didn't share all method with you because some method not work, but only which method are working, only those videos I shared in my channel. So I think you will understand if you do everyday 1 or 2 hour work by using my method. I hope you will earn definitely from Adsterra daily $5 to $10 easily, and it is very little amount, but I think it will increase day by day. So first you need to make a block. Very important this is, because you have in this video I will share you how you can redirect 5 direct link automatically. That means you will use 5 direct link. Each time anyone click on the link, they will redirect in 5 different link, not all person in one direct link. Okay, so this is first method. So for that you this is my previous video, this is my previous day video. That's why date will not match, because see, this is 5/7/2025 and I just shared my earning result. It was 6/7/2025. If you not believe, then you go to first and see the date again. Okay, now let's start. So you just copy the script and replace your direct link in the block. Okay, it is very simple. Just paste my script. I will share the script in the comment section, and paste your direct link. Okay, not my direct link. Just do the replace the script. This is only one time work. Okay, and after you complete this work, you know what, I will do the same method. Every promotional website I do the same method. Guys, you see my every video, same method, same things I just do repeatedly, and that's what actually I am making money. I think it is little money. $5 to $10 is very little, but I think it's working method and it will increase day by day. Okay, so publish it. That's it, guys. You just make a post like this. Okay, I just write it promotional link. Okay, after that what you will do, I hope everyone who see my video, they know what I am going to do now. Very simple. Just go to your website banner code and copy all the banner code. The same thing I do in every video, because I know it is working. So what I am do, if you have this code already in a Excel sheet, you do not need to do this. I am just showing it for if any new viewer seeing my video. That's why I am doing this repeatedly, because of my new viewer who don't know how to duplicate the banner code. But if you already have this Excel before ready, I mean you if you see my old video, if you have already this Excel sheet where you have repeatedly copy all code, you do not do this again. Just copy the code from that Excel sheet, from that Google site. So if any new viewer seeing this, just do as I am doing. That's it. And you know what, after copy, just do repeatedly. I mean 120 or 300 or 500 or even more. Like you can do it like 1000, 500. That how many you want to duplicate, just do it. Guys, just follow this method. Okay, every one who is working on my method, I hope in a week he will get a result. So see, after repeated, just make a new post and paste the code in here and make it a name like 1000 impression or whatever. Okay, You just do what I am doing. See, I just make a 1000 impression post and one direct link blog post. That's it. If you don't understand my language, don't worry guys. Mute my voice and see actually what I am doing. That's it. If anyone don't understand what actually I am telling, just mute the video. Just see step by step what I am doing. You like hits. This is very important website. You know what? So many people active here, and I am going to get the traffic in my blog. So you have to do so many work, otherwise you will got stuck. See, just verify it and your account will be ready within a minute. I hope you successfully signed up. Okay, click here to login. I think you need to do an email verification here. Very simple. See, you need to do a activation code which have sent you in the Gmail. Just paste the code in here. So just paste the activation code in here and activate your mail. That's it. Okay, so go to mail. See, so many traffic network I work. That's how actually I am increasing my earning. It is very little, $5, $10, very little, but it is working. I think you also do same things. Very simple things. Just paste it in here. Okay, and activate. See, okay, click here to start. Do not need. Now what actually we are doing, we do not need anything more or less. So many things you can earn from this website also. I do not need anything else. I just need the free topic. So what I'm going to do, first share this link and copy the link. Okay, copy the link, and you do this same things in mobile also. Okay, same again. Just website hits. Click on website hits. Make website name earning. Okay, earn money, and then paste the website link. Okay, add the website, and definitely check your website. Definitely see, it will update very smoothly. My all ad code is now working, and I am very happy because I know this method is working. Okay, see, then I am going to add another link. You know how much link I will add? I will add 3 link here. One direct link, 1000 impression link, and one is promotional link which I have made fast in my video. Okay, you just copy the method I am doing. So you can add directly a direct link here, and direct link also work here. Sometimes direct link not work directly, but it will work. See, direct link is now loading. I think it will work here. This is working. Direct link directly working. So 2 link already added. Now I need to add the redirect blog post which I have made fast, which was promotional link, like 5 direct link in one blog and automatically redirect every click. I don't need to worry about it. So actually this is the method I'm now playing in my Adsterra, and even Adsterra account is running very smoothly. Oh, so please do not forget to use this setting. Okay, this is very important, like how many points you will give to visit your website. This is very simple. I am giving 10, 15 and 20. That's it. Simple things, guys. That's it. You do not need to do anything. Okay, now I am going to earning the points. I have 15 points, you have seen before. Now I am going to earn by visiting website, by liking Facebook post. Very easy to earn points from this website. And when you earn point, those point will work as for traffic. So every points you earn, it will directly work for your traffics. How? You earn points and you give points to others. This is organic website. Everyone is working here. They all are man, human, woman, not robot. So Adsterra will not ban, because if you like this YouTube channel, subscribe the YouTube channel, you will get points. By using those points, you send traffic to your website. Okay, that's it. And Adsterra want traffic in your blog. Adsterra want direct link hit. So you are sending traffic by using points, and this is not a bot work. See, already 50 to 3 points already happening. That means traffic already going to my website. Okay, so guys, this is very simple. This is actually very easy to work. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to share you a result, and I hope is you see everything I am working, there is points adding in my account. Very simple. I earn points, I send traffic. Now this is actually the first video I have shown you, 6/7/2025. So it actually work after 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. It's depend on the work, you know. I hope you understand. It is, you see, July 6. Okay, I just refresh it again. Only some points will add like 0.02, 0.01, and I am very happy with that earning. So I hope you will be getting this setup using my method. Not only one method, you have to do so many method. I am just sharing in my video. Just copy and post it and just earn. Thank you guys very much.